In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Storyboarder on a Windows computer. Just search Storyboarder. I'll include the link in the description of this video. And it's at this wonderunit.com is the website. And if the Storyboarder page doesn't come up, you can find it by just clicking on Technology and go to Storyboarder. It's free to download, but you have to put in your email address to get the download link, at least at this current time in 2019. So go ahead and enter your email address. They keep your email address private. It's a good company and a good developer. There's nothing crazy going on here. But go ahead and check your email, and you'll see that download link in your email. And that takes you back to the download page, the same page you were just at, but now you have authorization to download. It's just a check system that they have in place just to prevent spam. But it is free software, and it's open source as well. You can download it and compile it yourself if you're not interested in giving away your email. But they have a nice pre-compiled package for Windows. Also works on Linux and Mac. Once it's downloaded, you'll find it in your Downloads folder. So just go ahead and click or double-click, and this will launch the Storyboarder installer. And wait for it to finish installing. It installs fairly quickly. It'll install a desktop icon on your computer, and I believe it'll launch for the first time. You might have to open it, and this is the launch screen. So now Storyboarder is installed on your computer. You can go ahead and create a new story, and check out the next tutorial where we'll learn how to start using Storyboarder. Thanks for watching.